Sometimes those slices, you know it will be good. Really good. Sargento. Makes the real difference.
Chloe, go blow dry your hair.
It's game day, buddy, and boy, are we in for a doozy.
Oh, man. Mr. Clean is dominating the competition.
Mr. Clean is tackling Mets like some sort of Mets tackler.
Oh, and what's this? That's the scent of Gain Original Fresh.
That counts as a performance enhancer. I am complaining to the Cleaning Products Athletics Board.
Did you just make that up?
Yes, I did, and I'm the president.
You're losing it, buddy. Maybe you should hit the showers.
Mr. Clean already did. They're spotless.
Introducing Mr. Clean with Gain Original Fresh.
Life is a full-court sandwich. Keep it delicious. Seasoned with the natural spices of McCormick's slow cooker pulled pork mix. There's no artificial flavors.
Haley, do you know where your backpack is?
Cheese. And sink your teeth right in.
Where's that?
McCormick. Endless varieties of real food made easy.
You suffered some real damage. Third-degree noodle crack. You may need to survive. Dawn Power Clean. It'll never work.
Dawn Power Clean with micro-scrubbing enzymes can give you the power of an ultimate soap in just 5 minutes.
I give you a sparkling clean formula. It's a scientific miracle.
For money saving coupons, visit DawnDish.com.
Throw on some color and a lot of style. A luxurious little touch that's just so soft. A price you'll like. The piece you'll love to keep.
So, at our company, we pay about the same, even though I'm a great driver and not so much.
Well, for a driver like you, I would recommend our new Snapshot discount. This little baby keeps track of your great driving habits so you can save money.
Amazing.
It's like an extra bonus savings.
He's my ride home.
How much can a Snapshot discount save you? Call or click today.
The price sure doesn't. Tired of shopping around.
Too bad you're not buying car insurance. Like, that's easy.
Oh,
Hey, boo-boo.
Progressive Direct showed me their rates and the rates of their
Isabella.
competitors. I saved hundreds when switching. Could you use Sunfree?
Yeah.
Wake up and smell the safety. Out there with a better way. Now that's Progressive. This is the Food Network Challenge, Outrageous Pumpkin Stew.